Now I'm gonna attack the fish. I'm gonna attack the fish.
Yeah, boys.
Fuck yeah.
Oh, fuck!
Now this is a video explaining why I don't fuck with horses. For one, look how dangerous these motherfuckers look.
What are you doing? Thank you.
I mean, they're serious about it, Buzz. I mean,
Dito.
Hello.
Bro, I swear to God, I'm gonna eat this fucking.
You want some girls?
He's like, oh, there's a camera on. Oh my god.
How the fuck does this happen, bruh? In 4 hours. I was in my car 4 hours ago and there's not even a window down. It's a full hour.
Didn't expect this.
yo, my boy's going for it. Dude, he just ate a wasp. What the heck? My dude just ate a freaking wasp off the nest. Oh, he's going back for more. Dude! Savage, he just took the whole nest!
Oh. Oh, no! Oh, okay, yeah, no, Gary fucked it all up. Oh, Gary got off, and he's the one who caused all the commotion.
Seeing if my hamster cares about me.
You want to know what he really hates? I'm going to step back for this one. We only can do this one once because